Hi and welcome to Reseller News Weekends. My name is Rich Bassini. Today is August 4th, 2018. Thanks for tuning in. I just want to start off by saying thank you to all the people who've been following me. All the new subscribers is greatly appreciated. A lot of you may notice my YouTube banner has been changing from time to time. It'll probably be changing in the upcoming weeks. I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to, make a banner where it's going to be a generalized, YouTube channel. I'm trying to, change it up a little. So right now, the banner that's there is going to be there, so we're going to leave it at that. So anyway, I just want to say thank you again. Just for those who are new, you could check it out. This is the new banner I'm talking about. Excuse me, folks. I'm sorry about that. As you can see, it's a little more colorful than the other one. Just what it says, rjpassini.com, helping, inspiring, sharing through social media. I'm probably going to keep the same format, but I might put some stuff over here. Maybe talking about what topics I cover. The reseller news. Generalized, things, do-it-yourself, how-tos, and stuff like that. So this looks like pretty much the, banner I'm going to be keeping for now. If it changes, I'm sure you guys will know about it. But that's what it's going to be right now. So I hope you guys like it. And, if you do, drop it a comment. Let me know what you think about it. But anyway, you got to excuse me, folks. I've been... my allergies been acting up and getting really coughed up a little here, so sorry about that. I'm going to try to do this fast, so let's get right to it. Actually, I wanted to go in that window. I had to keep my glasses on here. This came out Friday, August 3rd, 2018. It says eBay looks for sellers' ads fees for revenue growth. I don't know if we might have talked about this once before, but you can see it came out August 3rd. It says eBay CEO Dennis Wennick told Wall Street analysts on July 18th that he sees advertising one of eBay's most significant midterm opportunities. The others is payments, particular promoted listing ads. There are over 300,000 sellers promoting over 150 million listings, he said, leading to the revenue growth in excess of 150%. And he goes on to say the increase in number of sellers who advertise. One of the obvious ways to boost ad revenue is to increase the number of sellers who advertise. eBay is now targeting consumer sellers with a dumbed-down version of seller ad program. To see today's news story about the eBay promoted listing slate. I've been reading a little about that there, but I'm not going to get too much into this, folks. Well, for two reasons. One, I don't want it to be too long, and number two, I'm kind of getting like a scratchy throat here talking about this here, but I'm going to let you guys decide. You could check it out on ecommercebytes.com. And this came out again on Friday, August 3rd, 2018. So let's move right along here. This one came out again Friday, August 3rd, 2018. eBay buyers unable to pay with PayPal. Now, I've been, when I had to purchase, I purchased ink for a printer that's currently on sale right now on eBay. I had it relisted again. And I had no problem paying with PayPal. I don't know if anybody else has, but I've been pretty good. So if anybody out there has been experiencing any problems, let us know. It says that we have buyers unable to check out on eBay using PayPal. With the reports starting yesterday evening and continue this morning for most item. PayPal is the only form of payment buyers can select. The eBay system status board is showing all green, indicating it's unaware of any problems. I don't know. I mean, I haven't had any problem with it. I don't know if anybody else has, but if you did, let us know. So far, it seems okay. It's working for me, so we'll see how that goes. Here's another story here. This came out on barons.com. It says eBay founder Pierre Omidyar's group wants to help prevent the next Facebook scandal. This came out again on Friday, August 3rd, 2018. It says 20% plunges suffered by Facebook shares in March and June should convince anyone in the public that public companies can't focus solely on maximizing profits. Sometimes they need trust. Facebook is scrambling to repair the reputation of it damaged by continued reports that Facebook and Twitter have both said that they will be boosting spending to catch the bad actors among the billions of accounts. I don't know. I guess eBay wants to get in on this here. Well, they should. I mean, if it's in regards to privacy issues. I think, eBay should be more diligent, and all e-commerce companies should be very diligent when it comes to privacy issues. I'm all in favor for whatever the steps they're going to take to protect our privacy. I don't want my email address and all my information going off to third party sellers, or not, well, third parties, people in general. But I'm all in favor for it. But if you would like to read this story, folks, you can go to barons.com and you can check it out. Here's another one. I think let me see. I think I just talked about that before. eBay promoted listing ads goes light for casual sellers. eBay's, this is on e-commerce bites, by the way, just to let you know. That's where I get my information from. I get a lot of Google alerts too, but I can't put too many up there, or else we'll be here for hours on end. And this one here, it goes on to say, this has got the whole, pretty much all the stories on it, but I'm picking the latest one. This one over here is, like I said again, it says eBay is seeking to increase ad revenue by targeting casual sellers with a light version of its promoted listing program, which lets sellers pay for ads on the top. You've got to read the rest of this. You got to click it on. And my computer's slow. It says over here, it goes on to say the dumbed down version of eBay's seller ad program called Promoted Listings Lite is available exclusively for items listed using the quick listing tools designed for consumer sellers. The Lite program has a different fee structure and comes without any tools to measure the effectiveness of the ads, according to the FAQs. Again, you could read this here if you like. I'm trying to keep this short, so I hope this information I'm putting out helps you guys out, and hope some way. If it does help out, please let me know. I really appreciate it. But let's move right along. And the last story here is this one. This is from the TimesReporter.com. It goes on to say hospice giant garage sale draws hundreds of bargain hunters. And I'm not going to click the video on because, like I said, I don't know how long it is, but I don't want to, like I said, I don't want this to be too long. I'm just going to read a little briefly over here. This came out, posted at 6:30 a.m. this morning, I believe. That's what it looks like. I don't see any dates here, so I believe it was this morning. It says, Dover, the first 2 days of community hospice giant garage sale were a big success, with hundreds of area residents packing down to Tuscarawas County Fairgrounds in Dover to snap up the bargain of clothing, toys, and household items. Dover's the first 2 days of the community hospice giant garage sale was a big success, with hundreds of area residents packing Tuscarawas County Fairground in Dover to snap up bargains on clothing, toys, household items. They're going absolutely fabulous. In the event, Chair Diana Lamont said Friday, we have non-stop customers from 9 o'clock. The annual sale began with the preview night on Thursday. Lamont said people started lining up 2 hours before the preview, and the event began at 3 p.m. in hopes of being the first line. One customer was there at 7:30 in the morning. Nearly 1,000 people paid $5 to look at the items and 3 buildings on the fairgrounds. And then it goes on to say they come looking for items to put up on eBay, or they want the best deals possible. She said they want the first choice, of course. And then it goes on to read over here. You can read about it, and I just thought I'd share it with you because at first I wasn't going to put it up there, but I said, well, let me read a little further down, and you know me, anything that deals with eBay or Amazon or Etsy, whatever, I like to just put it out there. But anyway, I'm going to bump out of here, folks. I know it seems kind of quick. I'm talking fast and stuff like that. I just wanted to share this, do a quick reseller news brief. So I just wanted to throw that information out there. I hope you guys get something out of it. In regards to the banner and going on with the YouTube channel and stuff like that, I want to try to change it up a little. I don't want to be, specified on just one thing. I mean, I know I could have just left the banner up there that says Reseller News and just leave it at that and, cover different topics. But, that's not what I'm all about. I mean, I want to help people out. And I think I said it for people who do follow me. I don't have a big following, of course, but for the people who do follow me and did watch my videos recently, I throw that out in there every now and then. I'll throw out that little blurb out there that, I want to help people out, and I created this thing called his initiative program, which is basically it's to help inspire and share. And that's why I kind of tripped it up like that with the rjpacini.com, and that's why I put in there helping, inspiring, and sharing through social media, which is what it's all about. I don't know if I'm going to be changing it again. I might be adding to it, like I said in the beginning of this opening. news flash, whatever you want to call it here. But I'm going to probably, keep that one there for now. If it changes, I hope you don't get discouraged and think I'm going crazy. I'm just trying to moderate, this channel into something outside of just one thing. I want to be diversified. I don't want to just have it on one thing, and I'm not going to have multiple channels. I'm not going to have a reseller news channel. I'm not going to have a Rich Piscini channel. I want to just have one umbrella, one channel, and leave it at that for now. Anyway, I mean, who knows? It may change in the future. I can't say, but for now, I'm going to leave it like that. But I just want you to know there's nothing going on. I'm not planning on closing the channel out, or not going to stop doing YouTube. That won't happen. I love YouTube. I love creating videos and stuff like that, and I love to share. I really do. I mean, I think that title tells it all. It really does. I mean, I can't express it more enough. I mean, every picture tells 1,000 words. And that banner, I hope that when people do land on it, because I was reading about creating banners and stuff like that, how the wording and how you create the banner is how it's going to draw people to your channel. And I mean, don't get me wrong. You say, well, of course, people want a nice banner. They want to have a lot of people coming in and subscribe and stuff, and that's true. I do. I really love to. But outside of, I'm not saying this in a bad way, or not derogative way either. There are a lot of great YouTube creators out there. They cover a lot of topics and stuff like that. There are some creators out there that just focus on one thing. Like you might have a creator that deals strictly with how to promote your YouTube channel, and I get a lot of information, inspiration from these guys. But me, I want to try to do my channel a little different. I want to be diversified. I don't want to just be one specific thing all the time, because let's face the facts. It's like if we were watching television. Would you want to watch the same show on every channel, the same program, every channel you turn on? Channel 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever. Every time you turn the channel on, that same person's there. It's nice to be diversified. So I kind of figured, it's nice to trip it up a little. You may see me talking about different things. I'm still working on the banner. I'm not going to probably keep that one most likely, but I'm going to probably put on the sides there, do-it-yourself, how-to videos, and reseller news. To kind of trip it up a little. But I want you guys to know that who do follow me and stuff like that, I am going to be covering different topics and stuff like that. I might talk about something totally different than eBay. Not that I don't like talking about eBay and stuff like that, or sharing things like that. I mean, I will on occasion when it comes up. But I'm starting to get to the point where sometimes things get played out, and I think that's what loses people interest. I mean, if you had to watch the same show over and over again with the same repetitive story, you're going to tune it off. Let's face the facts. I mean, how many times could you watch a movie over and over again? You know what I'm saying? You've seen it 1,000 times. How many times you're going to watch it? You practically know the dialect and dialogue and stuff like that. You could probably rehearse the same every part of the movie verbatim. So that's one of the purposes. And I think I mentioned in my other videos that I do want to change it around a little. So don't be surprised if you start seeing different topics come up. And I hope it doesn't turn you off. If you'd like to see me do something totally different, that's fine. But I definitely want to do other stuff besides just doing reseller news and talking about eBay and stuff like that. I mean, right now it's going to be like that because I'm still working on things there. I'm still working behind the scenes, so to speak. So I just hope that the stuff I put out there, you guys will enjoy it, and you get something for it. You'll learn something from it. I know it's going to be different topics though. I have a lot of ideas I'm tossing around my mind, and I really want to do this. I want to make it work. I just love enjoying helping people out, and if I can inspire somebody, like I said, with information or knowledge, or somehow they get something from my videos, that's a plus for me, folks. It really is. I really do enjoy helping people, and that's why I created this channel. A lot of my videos, I will say this, outside of doing the reseller news and stuff, there have been a lot of videos in the past that I have done when I first started this channel, and a lot of them were sneak peek videos, demo videos, and intro videos. And on occasion, I will bring those out. I was even thinking of doing a showcase of the merchandise I have. I think I talked about it once before in one of my other videos, and I think I'm going to still do that. Showcase some of the stuff I have here in the house that's going to go up, that's on eBay. But I just want to maybe, expand a little on each of the items. As far as sales, just to give you a little quick heads up, I made I think 4 sales this week. nothing to write home about. It would be nice to make 4 sales a day. Maybe it'd be nice to make 10 sales a day. But just to share that with you guys, it's moving, but nothing to write home about. But anyway, folks, I don't want to take too much of your time. I don't know if I'm going to be doing any other videos throughout the course of the day. It is going over here in New York time. It's at 6:32 right now, so 6:32 p.m. I'm on the East Coast of New York, so time is moving. It's trucking. It's going quick. It's really trucking on along, you know. And I never seen time go so fast before. And I know what they say. New Yorkers are very fast-paced people. We talk fast, we walk fast, we do everything fast. But that's what it's all. That's what it's all about. You know, being a native New Yorker, you know, I'm a Manhattanite. I was born in Manhattan, so that's what it's all about. But anyway, I just want to share it with you guys. If you know, hopefully I'll do tomorrow the Reseller News weekends on Sunday, and we'll pick it right up from there. I would like to try to do a video every day. You know, a week, at least one video a day, you know, for as long as I can. Like I said earlier, my other past videos, by the end of the year, I think I could do it. I can't swear to it. I like to have at least up to 1,000 videos, but I don't know. It all depends. That's a lot of content to create out there, and you can't just, you know, throw stuff out there and just, you know, wing it. You know, I mean, if I put stuff out there, I want it to be decent stuff. You know. I don't want to just say, oh, I created 1,000 videos. So, you know, it's like a conversational piece. You got 1,000 videos on YouTube, you know, so it's got to be good stuff out there. I mean, I don't know exactly. You'll be informed, believe me. You'll be the first to know. So, anyway, thanks again for stopping by, checking out this, you know, Reseller News weekend. And my name is Richard Cassini. Today is August 4th, 2018. I will talk to you next time. Take care. Have a good day.